Good morning, student. Good morning, student. This is the exercise 2.6, the chapter fraction and decimals. The question number first, find the division. First, second, third, fourth. We shall solve question number second and fourth. First, solution. First, 0.42 divided by 7. We write it 0.42 upon 7 multiplied by 100 with numerator and 100 with denominator, because this is the decimal 2 points, so we multiply by 2 zeros number 100 equal to 42 upon 700. Divide 42 by 700. This is not division because the 42 is less than 700. This is result is 0. 700 zeros are 0. 42. And put the point decimal and carry 0. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. The result is 0.6 answer. And the solution of 4, 8 4 2.4 divided by 4. We shall write it 842.4 upon 4 multiplied by 10 with numerator and multiplied by 10 with denominator. It becomes 8,424 and it becomes 40. We divide 8,424 by 4, 40. 42 is 80. 42 is 80. The subtracts, the remainder is 4 and 0. We carry 2. It becomes 42. 41 is 40. Subtraction, the remainder is 2. We carry 4. It is not a divisible. 24 and decimal. Put the decimal and add the 0 with 24. It becomes 240. And 6 are 240. 4 6 are 24 and 0. Remainder is 0. Then the answer is 210 and 0.6 is a answer. This is the solution of question number first, part second and fourth. The next is the question number first, the part 5th, 6th and 7th and 8th. We shall solve question number 4 and 8. 6th and 8th. Solution of part 6. 36 divided by 0.2. We shall write it 36 upon 0.2 and multiply by 10 with numerator and multiply by 10 with denominator. This becomes 360 and this becomes 2. Now start the division. 2 1 are 2. Subtraction. Remainder is 1. Carry 6. Add to the 16. Remainder is 0. The remaining part of 0 is add with 18. The answer is 180. The question number 8. Question number 8 is 0.09 divided by 3. We write it 0.09 upon 3 multiplied by 100 and multiplied by 100 with the denominator. It becomes 9 and it becomes 300. We start the division. 300. It is not divisible because 9 is less than the 300. It becomes 0. And put the decimal and put the 0 with the 9. This is not a divisible, so it is the 0 by the result, and we put 0 with 90. It becomes 900 and 300 3 are 900. The remainder is 0, so the answer is 0.03 is our answer. This is the question number 1. Question number 2. Yes, this is the question number 2 is the question number 1. 4.2 divided by 10, 98% divided by 10, 0.2 divided by 10, and 143.2 divided by 100 and 86 divided by 100. The solution. We want to solution the part number 2nd, 3rd and 5th. The solution is part 2nd. 98.6 divided by 10. We can write it 98.6 upon 10. 10. This is the fact that if we divide it by 10, then the decimal is moved to the left side. So it becomes 986. The decimal is moved 1 point because we have only 1 0. So the decimal moves only 1 point against the left side. So it comes here and the answer is 9.86. And the part 3rd, 0.2 divided by 10, so 0.2 upon 10. If we have 1 0 in the denominator, so point moves in the left side, 1 point left side, so it becomes 0.02 is a answer, and the fifth part is 86 divided by 100. We can write it 86 upon 100, and there are no decimals, but we know that every integers have a decimal after the full point of 86. So we write it 86.0 upon 100. We have 2 zeros, so the point or decimal moves 2 points to the left side, 0.86. 0.86 answer. Yes, solution part is we want to solution 6th, and 8th. The part 6th is 8.05 divided by 100. We can write it 8.05 upon 100. If we have 2 zeros in the denominator and the decimal moves 2 points to the left, so it becomes 0.0805 answer. The point moves 1 0 is 1 point and second digit is second point. The decimal comes here and it becomes 0.08 and 05 answer. The part 8 is 1.3 divided by 1000. We have 3 zeros in denominator, so we can write it 1000. We know that we have 3 zeros in the numerator, so a decimal moves to left with 3 points. So the 1 point is 1, the decimal is moved first point, second point and third point. It means 0, 0 and 0. This becomes 0.001 and 3 answer. If we want to solve this question in the other way, then this is the second method. (1.3 upon 1000) multiplied by 10 with denominator, multiplied by 10 with denominator, multiplied by 10 with numerator. It becomes 13 upon 10,000. 10,000. Start the division is 10,000. It is 13 is less than 10,000, so there are no division and the result is 0, and put the point and put the 0 with the 13, it becomes 130. There are no division and put 0, 1300. 10,000. There are no division, so result is 0, and we put the 0 with the third, it becomes 13,000. It is 10,000. 1 times minus 3,000 is remainder, and put the 0 with the 300, it is 30,000. 10,000 3 is 30,000. The remainder is 0. It becomes the 0.0013 is the answer. This is the second method. Next, the question number 3. This is the question number 3rd. Solution is, we solve the question number 1st and 3rd. Part 1st, 1.2 divided by 0.3. We write it 1.2 upon 0.3 and multiply by 10 with numerator and multiply 10 with denominator. It becomes 12 and it becomes 3. Start to division. 3 for the 12, remainder is 0, so answer is 4. 4 is answer. So this is the answer. The part 3rd. Part 3rd is 9.6 divided by 1.6. We can write it 9.6 upon 1.6. Multiplied by 10 with numerator and multiplied by 10 with denominator. So it becomes 96 and it is 16. Start to division. Sixteen 6 ja 96. 6 6 ja 36. 6 1 ja 6 and 3 9. The remainder is 0. The answer is 6. So, okay. Thank you.